Hi everyone, and welcome back to Love and Health Hub. You've probably heard about the amazing benefits of avocados, but did you know that the leaves of the avocado tree are just as incredible? Today, we're diving into the fascinating health benefits of avocado leaves and how you can use them to boost your wellness naturally. Introduction to avocado leaves. Avocado leaves might not get as much attention as the fruit, but they're packed with nutrients and bioactive compounds. They contain flavonoids, antioxidants, and phenolic compounds, which are known to support overall health. Plus, they're rich in minerals like magnesium, zinc, and potassium. Top health benefits. 1. Supports digestive health. Avocado leaves have natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe the digestive system. Drinking avocado leaf tea is a traditional remedy for bloating, diarrhea, and stomach cramps. 2. Rich in antioxidants. The antioxidants in avocado leaves, such as quercetin, help combat oxidative stress, which can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and promote healthy skin. 3. Supports heart health. High levels of potassium in avocado leaves can help regulate blood pressure, while their anti-inflammatory compounds support overall heart health. 4. Anti-diabetic properties. Research suggests that compounds in avocado leaves may help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. This makes them a promising natural aid for managing diabetes. 5. Boosts immune function. Avocado leaves are loaded with immune-boosting compounds that can help your body fight off infections and support recovery. How to use avocado leaves. Now, let's talk about how you can incorporate avocado leaves into your routine. One of the easiest ways is to make tea. Here's how you do it. Take 2 to 3 fresh or dried avocado leaves. Rinse them thoroughly. Boil them in 2 cups of water for about 10 minutes. Let it cool slightly, then strain and enjoy. You can add a little honey or lemon for extra flavor. This tea is not only soothing but also packed with all the benefits we just talked about. Safety tips and final thoughts. While avocado leaves are generally safe for most people, it's always a good idea to consult a healthcare professional, especially if you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication. And remember, only use leaves from organically grown avocado trees to avoid exposure to pesticides. So, there you have it. Avocado leaves are a hidden gem with incredible health benefits. Whether you brew them into tea or use them in other natural remedies, they're a fantastic way to support your wellness journey. Have you tried avocado leaves before? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.